Hey everybody, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and on today's episode, we're exploring some of the desert's greatest landmarks. Right now, we are in the city of Landers, and we're exploring Giant Rock. This is one of the largest single boulders in the world. It has cracked, which has changed its dimensions slightly, but let's take a moment and explore this great location.
Right here, the largest piece of the rock that has fallen off, sometime around the year 2000. They don't know how it happened, but a lot of people theorize that it was likely caused by bonfires, altering the temperature of the rock from the bottom to the top. And those dissimilar temperatures cause the rock to crack. It's a massive piece of the rock that has fallen off, not just a small piece. And to be honest with you, they were just happy no one was injured. Lots of other boulders and rocks here. None of them quite that size. A man by the name of Frank Kritzer made his home beneath the rock from 1930 to 1942. Kritzer was later investigated by local police because of spy allegations during World War II. Frank was given a demand by local authorities to leave the rock. Kritzer did not go peacefully. A smoke bomb was shot into the living space below the rock. This set off a chain reaction and caused an explosion which took the life of Frank Kritzer. The area below the rock was filled in as part of a public safety measure. It was also a popular social spot during that time. Hundreds would gather at the Rock Cafe, which was built only about 20 feet away from Giant Rock. So let's continue our adventure. We're going to head over to Joshua Tree. We're going to check out Skull Rock, Arch Rock, and a few other landmarks in that area. Let's go. Bighorn Dam, also known as Barker Dam, was constructed in 1942 by the Keyes family. An increase in the dam's height, an additional 6 feet, was erected in 1950. The dam served as a watering hole for cattlemen in the area. However, it is used now by the numerous wildlife throughout Joshua Tree.
So we came down into Joshua Tree and we just took the foot trail over to Barker Dam. Now there's no water in the dam right now, but with the rain tomorrow there'll probably be some water in there. We are going to continue to Skull Rock and then over to Arch Rock, and we're going to continue to explore some of these desert landmarks.
Skull Rock. It is believed that as rainwater caused small depressions on the surface of the rock, and more water was able to accumulate, over the millennia, those large depressions in the rock started to resemble a massive skull.